Okay, this is December 20th, and this is the day after a huge snowstorm. I'm leaving, walking out my building for the first time. As you can see, the streets of Jackson Heights, Queens are a mess. Why most of New Yorkers hate the snow. It is inconvenient. It is, look at this, you can't even walk on the sidewalk. It's one big mess. Okay, so this is one of the side streets of where I live at. As you can see, I can't zoom in on this camera anymore, it's messed up. With the snow on top of the roof, it looks beautiful. But once again, the inconveniences of the snow, this poor guy has to bury out his car sometime. This is our first snowstorm of the winter season of 2009-2010. And as you can see, New York City is one big pile of white mess. There you go. Here's another car that's buried underneath the snow. This guy's gotta dig his car out sometime soon. All the cars are just covered. And once again, true New Yorkers who have lived and born and raised in New York City do not really like the snow very much. There's somebody digging his car out right now. It's a task in itself to get your car out. Thank God it's Sunday. Most of the people don't have to work today, so they can take their time about digging their cars out. But those cars that are covered today, if they're not uncovered today, the owners are going to have a hard time tomorrow when they have to go to work. There's someone shoveling their driveway. Okay, this is a New York City corner where the crosswalk, okay, where the pedestrians are supposed to actually walk. You can see it's covered in snow. So that means your pants and your shoes and everything else are gonna get disgustingly dirty when you try to get over this. Here we go. Another pile of mess. You see this? Look how deep this thing is. Okay, at least the sidewalk is cleared. I'm walking over to the park in Jackson Heights. The park is located around 76th Street, I believe. 77th Street, somewhere around there, and 34th Avenue. And I'm walking from the upper 80s, trying to give people an idea of the aftermath of a New York City snowstorm in Jackson Heights, Queens. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but there's someone trying to get out of their spot. but their car is having a hard time, and he's just smoking up the car now because he can't get out because of the wonderful snow. These are the conveniences of the snow in New York City. So the guy is holding up the traffic a bit as he's trying to get out of a spot, and I think he cleared it, and there he goes. He's finally made it out. Okay, wonderful. Okay, we're at a city neighborhood park, 78th Street and 37th Avenue, and as you can see, there's snow all over the ground. There's a few families here and there playing with their kids, and it's a nice sunny day after a snowstorm here in Jackson Heights, Queens.